Nature often offers subtleties which go unnoticed by many. Simply by quietly and patiently watching, one can observe little dramas which are as grand and marvelous as anything else. Trout live and thrive in a landlocked pool at the bottom of a small waterfall. And there is a second wonder of how the crystal clear water vanishes underground beneath a dry riverbed. Visitors are too noisy and busy taking photos of each other, too desensitized to notice the wonders they came to see, although the complexity of a natural world is all around them. In late summer, local streams, shallow and gentle, begin to stir with the advancing season. Rainfall of a few hours brings change. It triggers a chain of events. Water levels rise a tiny bit. Barriers like beaver dams become passable with a little determination. Suddenly there are salmon in the deeper pools, and then as one watches, more churn their way through a few inches of water and upstream past obstacles on the relentless drive to spawn. An intuition as old as our imagination allows. In gentle local streams there are no grizzly bears scooping leaping fish from a cataract, no high drama of any sort. That is part of the magic, a simple reenactment of the cycle of life which so often goes unnoticed by us and yet is just as important a pulse as that within our own veins. In a backwater of the Nanaimo River, the coho have returned in late September after a life thousands of miles out in the open Pacific. They have returned to where they were once spawned. Their numbers are diminished from days past, but still they come, and so with them they bring hope. They will be followed later in the autumn with runs of larger salmon, chinook and chum. Life cycle turns eternally.